everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and I'm going to save a lot of your money. The way I'm going to do that is when you go to cafes and restaurants to have the iced tea, you end up spending so much money on it when you can easily make it at home. So today I'm going to show you how to make iced tea with a lemony twist, and the second one is going to be Thai iced tea. So now let's begin our process. So now guys, in a pot I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water, and to that I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Guys, we need extra sugar in any kind of chilled drinks. As we are going to add lots of ice to it, it dilutes the water down, and that is the reason we always need a little bit more sugar. And we are going to stir it in intervals till the time the sugar is completely dissolved. And once that happens, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of the tea leaves and bring the water to a boil. And once the water starts boiling, I'm going to turn off the flame. See, this is the color of the tea that you want it to be. It does not need to be very strong. And then guys, I'm going to transfer this tea into a glass jar with a tea strainer on top of it. And now we are simply going to wait for this tea to come down to room temperature. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. And once the tea reaches room temperature, I've taken 2 mason jars which I'm going to fill halfway with the ice. And then guys, in one of the mason jars, I'm going to roughly tear about 7 to 8 mint leaves and add. I'm also going to add few slices of lime, followed by juice of half a lime, and then top it up with the tea that we had prepared, which is now down to room temperature, and let's fill it till the rim. And our lemony iced tea is ready. And now guys, it's time to make the Thai iced tea. So I'm going to take my second mason jar, which is already filled with some ice, and fill it halfway with the tea. Then I'm going to top it up with some evaporated milk. So what is evaporated milk? Evaporated milk is nothing but your everyday full fat milk, which is simmered for 25 minutes on a low flame. Guys, after 25 minutes of simmering this milk, 1 cup of milk will come down to 1/3 cup. Also guys, let's not forget to stir in intervals so that the milk does not sit and burn at the bottom. And as you can notice guys, I've decorated with a slice of lime and some mint leaves, and I'm just going to add the straws to both of these mason jars. And I absolutely cannot wait to try both of them out right now. So guys, isn't it looking very refreshing? You bet it's gonna be absolutely delicious. What did I say? It is just so refreshing. I feel like I've just jumped into a swimming pool. So nice and light. Make it right now. And now I'm gonna try the second one, the Thai iced tea. Oh, it's just so amazing. Guys, I used to go and visit all these Thai restaurants when I was in the US, and I used to always without fail order a Thai iced tea. And when I came to India, I used to miss it. And this is just very, I would say 95% close to that. So do make this. Do let me know what you think about my iced tea as well as Thai iced tea. And if you do like this recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button right over here. And if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on these links, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye. Take care.